more bread.
Shit, that's all I say. Come here.
I know.
I'm getting out of here. I don't know about you, but I'm out of here.
Don't be tossing the bread close to me. I'm the girl with the camera.
I know.
Oh, that hurt. Hey, stop that. Stop it. That hurts. Knock it off. Oh, you won't let him go. Oh.
He's got feathers on his neck. His beak. That guy's kind of mean.
Big bully. Oh, stop it! Okay, that's